Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to explore the programming perspective and the programming languages supported by EcoStruxure Machine Expert HVAC. The programming perspective is where we create and manage the PLC application logic. This workspace is divided into several sections that help organize the project efficiently. On the left side, we have the project tree, which contains all project resources, PLC applications, tasks, programs, variables, and other project components. We also have the library manager, where we can access function blocks and software libraries that can be used within the application. On the right side, we can find the properties window, which displays the configuration and settings of the selected object. In the center of the screen is the main programming area, where we develop and edit the PLC logic. EcoStruxure Machine Expert HVAC supports the IEC 61131-3 standard and provides 5 programming languages: Function Block Diagram, FBD, Ladder Diagram, LD, Structured Text, ST, Instruction List, IL, Sequential Function Chart, SFC. This flexibility allows programmers to select the language that best fits their application requirements and programming style. Another important concept is the use of tasks. Every PLC program must be assigned to a task in order to execute. Tasks determine when and how often a program runs. By configuring the task period, we can control the execution rate of the application and define how quickly the PLC scans and processes the program logic. Now, let's create a new program. First, we navigate to the application and add a new program object. When creating a program, we can select the desired programming language, such as ladder diagram, function block diagram, or structured text. For this example, we'll create a new program called test and assign it to an existing task. After confirming the settings, the software automatically creates the program and links it to the selected task. The programming editor then opens, allowing us to begin developing the PLC logic. This is where we will create the control sequences, implement automation functions, and build the application's operating logic.